How to change Shopify store background color. From the main page of Shopify here, we want to go to online store and we should see themes at the very top. So once we see themes, we want to scroll down a little bit and it will show us our current theme, and we can just choose this button to customize it here to the side. So once this has loaded up, then we can see the different settings here. So theme settings from the left hand side, it's going to look like this. We will see an option for colors, and we can choose a different color scheme from the presets right here. So if we just choose a different one, then we can set it like so, and this is going to change some of the colors. Or if we want to go back, then we can add a scheme ourselves. So for the background color, we can customize it here. So let's do, for example, some reddish. If you can just adjust this color here by dragging on the slider. You can add background gradient if you would like. So you see the different options here for background gradients as well, which we can customize. And then I'm just going to go back again here, and then we will be able to see our theme or scheme that we just created. We can also do a solid button background. We can also do outline buttons and add shadows as well if we would like. But basically, after you have customized this to your liking, you will just simply click on save here, and this will change the color of it. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.